Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making an effective smoothie for weight loss. This is mainly going to be using some green ingredients, and this will give you a nice boost to your morning. Firstly, I'm going to add all my ingredients into my speed blender. For this tea you need some spinach and red chard leaves, celery, half a lemon, cucumber, apple, and some pumpkin seeds. Firstly, I'm going to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. First goes in my celery, after that my lemon, next my spinach and red chard leaves, my pumpkin seeds, my apples, and finally my cucumber. This smoothie is very rich and very high in vitamins A and K, and can also help improve gut health and help cleanse your body. So guys, I am now going to add some water and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. I am now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. So guys, I've just finished blending up this nice fine smoothie to give you a great boost in the morning and to provide you with vitamin A and K in the morning. Look at that lovely colour. The green apple in the smoothie gives it a lovely smell and taste. I'm now going to be serving it into my cup. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding some diced apple to give it that extra crunch. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.